have some pink geraniums that are doing really good here on my front porch. And a Confederate jasmine. And what are these? Pacifica lilac. I purchased all these flowers at the Opelika food market and plants. I also got this palm tree there. I also wanted to take you over to my red roses. It's a welcome kitty cat flag I got on Amazon. My crepe myrtle. This is about the 5th year for this. Beautiful. It'll be beautiful when it's in bloom. This welcome sign I got at the Dollar General, as I did this tulip wreath. This was in the kitchen, but I brought it to my front door. Okay, there we go. My front porch, front yard area.